everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're gonna make this bag out of an X-ray report that you get when you get your legs broken, hands broken, or even your heart broken. No, I'm just kidding. So let's cue the intro. Here we go. Alright, so for this video you're gonna need some thread, a measuring scale and a pin, some needle, scissor and X-ray report, because we're gonna make a bag out of it. So here what I'm doing is I'm making a line horizontally and vertically, leaving a distance of a measuring scale. I don't know how to give the exact measurement because I did not take any exact measurement while I was doing it. I know I should have. From next time I'll make sure I'll do it. Now that we have the measurement, we won't be needing the part outside the white tape that I have done there. So I'm just cutting off the excess, and when I'll be done we'll have something similar to a plus sign, if it makes sense. So here I went ahead and applied the outer surface with some Fevicol because we'll be sticking this ribbon we'll be sticking this ribbon on the outer surface. Now this part is totally optional. You want to do it, you can do it, but I'm just doing it because later I'll be using another fabric as the outer surface of the bag. So when I'll be attaching the fabric to the X-ray report, I don't want it to move because the surface is quite slippery. So here I finished the horizontal part, so the vertical part I'm going to do it off screen. So once you're done, this is what you'll have, or I hope you'll have something like this for sure. So I went ahead and secured the edges with more ribbon and more Fevicol because obviously you don't want the opening part. And here you will get something like this with a flap kind of thing for the opening of the bag. So this is a fabric which everyone in the Nepalese household will have. If you are a Nepalese, you know what I mean. If you're not a Nepalese, then I'm sorry for you. Kidding again, I'm sorry. So yeah, I went ahead and wrapped my box with this fabric all over. I chose this fabric for its vibrant yellow color. Look how good it looks. So I went ahead and attached something so I'll have a hold of the bag. So here you can see a cute little purse where you can keep your money, some makeup products if you'd like. Sorry guys, I know the finishing does not look so good, but I just want to remind you all that you can all recycle and make this for yourself. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.